Hey everyone, what's up? So this is just a little vlog of me trying to get this printer to work. So what printer am I talking about? I'm talking about this bad boy right here. So this printer is really dirty, so I have some tissues here to use to clean this baby up. Okay, so let's clean up. Okay, this is boring. Montage time. Oh well, I did the best I could with this printer, so let's just take it as is. Yeah, maybe if I had some rubbing alcohol or something, I could just clean the whole printer, but too bad. So let's just move on to my PC where I'm about to install the driver for this bad boy. You heard that. Now, if you want the driver for this printer, I'll put a link in the description if you have this specific printer here. Yeah, this bad boy right here. Okay, so let's plug this in here. Oh, no, no. Better. Okay, this is plugged in. Now this too. I use 100% of my brain for this, so yeah. So they said the device should be powered on. Success! Even more success! Thanks for watching Egbo J20, okay? So, bye.